Lack of health insurance takes an enormous toll on the uninsured. Is that you? We're speaking poorly managed chronic health conditions, enormous health bills from medical expenses, and deaths that could have been avoided from seeking adequate health care from an insurance agency that you trust. On today's episode of HySpace with Hygia, we're discussing how long you've lived without health insurance. My name is Alicia. You're welcome to HySpace with Hygia. So why don't you have health insurance? All right, besides you, I'll be speaking to those who already know the need for health insurance. And then I'll come back to you who has refused to have health insurance. So why do you need a health insurance plan for your organization or for yourself? At Hygia HMO, we understand that for your individual needs, healthcare is an unavoidable expense. Hygia HMO has made it possible for you to access quality healthcare by implementing a managed care system where you as an individual of society need to pay a certain amount to get access to a bigger amount in benefits. Now, what do I mean? Say Babatunde is ill and he already has symptoms of this disease and he hasn't treated it yet. Babatunde needs to go to the healthcare center for care. As an insured member of society, Babatunde needs to have a health consultation with a medical doctor available on 10 Medicine. I'll explain in a moment. Now, Babatunde has his health checked and knows the specific conditions he needs to treat. Babatunde is advised to visit the closest medical center available in his area. So Babatunde has taken the step to be available at a medical provider. He gets access to his prescription medication, all under Hygia HMO expenses. That could be you. Or you could also be Jennifer, who doesn't wait till she's ill before she seeks consultation. Now, with access to over 2,000 providers and a tap on the phone to reach professional and trained and trusted medical doctors, Jennifer is able to place a call through on a toll-free line to seek care. How did she get this? Now, back to you who is uninsured. You reckon that you do not have to wait till you have gainful employment to seek health care from health insurance with Hygia HMO. As an individual of society, you have unprecedented access to quality health care. How? Let's begin. So you've lived this long without health insurance. Let's discuss your average visit to the medical center. You're treating, say, a regular illness that's dangerous but popular, like malaria. An average visit for a consultation has a certain amount. Your medication has a certain amount. And you're averagely spending, say, $50. For perspective, that's about 30 to 35K in today's times. Cumulatively, your subsequent visits to the hospital accrue up to the multiple times you visit the hospital per amount, looking at getting, for one visit, say 35K, you're spending about 300K on just treating regular malaria within a year. Or a more chronic disease patient, treating hypertension, treating cancer, and with poorly managed care, from checking your options with cheaper costs, with cheaper care, because you cannot maintain the same level of quality that you'd like. What's taking the toll? Your expenses. Now, if I told you that you could give me just about 5K for a monthly plan, and you get access to over $500,000 in benefits, what would you do? Yes. You want to get attention for your eyes? It's available. You want to get attention for your general health care? Those are available. For tests, lab results are available on demand. What is really your reason? Okay, so you run a company and you're seeking better quality of life for your workers, and they don't have health insurance. Justify having people retire early because they cannot meet up to healthcare issues, or justify people taking multiple sick days off, time away from your business. Now, how does that impact you? You're still paying overhead costs for bills like your rent, bills like your running costs, bills like your software costs. And then now you have to, in the long run, pay for people's healthcare directly out of your pockets. Because an unhappy staff is an unhappy organization, you'll agree with me. But let's say I'm able to tailor a particular healthcare to your budget. That's possible. I'm able to give you plans that you would select for your organization size. Or better still, you can trust my recommendations. I have lots of lawyers, underwriters, and doctors who are out there seeking your 100% care. Trusting us is definitely a gamble that you can take, and trust that you come out on the flip side with a big smile. So join us on a mission to help get you as an individual, or your SMEs, or your families, access to quality healthcare affordably. Let me remind you our mission statement at HySpace. Our mission at HySpace is to help members get access to quality healthcare. Now, how do we plan to achieve this? We are focusing on improving healthcare by adapting to the ever-changing needs of our society. With HySpace, there's something that you're sure of: integrity, compassion, attention, respect, and excellence. We're committed to providing individuals and employers access to quality healthcare through managed healthcare experiences. As an individual, you gain access to personal and family health plans, which include things like health checks, telemedicine with access to over 1,000 doctors on speed dial. We provide care and support for your family through health plans and medical evacuation services. I'll talk more on that. We provide educational material and complimentary updates like newsletters, health tips, shows like this one, where you come here and learn more about health insurance. For your organization, we're talking managed healthcare systems, we're controlling the costs on your behalf, and we're talking benefit administrations. Your HR definitely knows what I'm talking about. In cases where you seek group life cover or critical illness covers, let's have a conversation. We're talking your dependents, your families, your baby boys and girls. Bring them all into the picture. And in cases where you need a worksite clinic management, HySpace is able to set this up at a small fee. So what are your measurable outcomes if you stick to HySpace? Based on pre-agreed KPIs, we're able to provide quality service and render this service through a tracked performance style. HySpace will develop utilization reports just so we're transparent and you can see how much care your staff member have used. And we're not forgetting you as an individual. Through the use of our flexible mobile apps, HySpace is constantly pushing service innovation to give the user the power that they need to monitor and check that they're giving the care that is due them. We adopt key guiding principles at HySpace in delivering service to you, our members. Transparency. We spoke about this before. You have access to your health plans and you get to see how much coverage has been used per time. And in cases where items appear where they were not, you can raise these flags as a proactive enrollee of HySpace. We talk about HySpace in capacity, integrity, and reputation. Now you see, HySpace has been a reliable health insurance partner to local and global providers in their thousands. Tell me, you're looking for flexibility and you want a service that gets you. If you're talking about tech, check out our website. There is something for you. We're enabling you and your family to get access to care within your budget. With our unique selling points, such as medical evacuation cover for specific plans that require you to get bed-to-bed care. Now this means in cases where your care can no longer be covered in Nigeria, HySpace will facilitate your visa application and your bed-to-bed care within another country. Terms and conditions apply. Now, active case management. You already have enrollees with tons of doctors and nurses engaging with them on needful healthcare activities. Now, do you need someone to properly manage your mom's chronic care condition at home? You're talking HySpace. With our best-in-class mobile app, you're sure that you're able to reach out to Hydra HMO at the tap of a button. You're sure that you're able to navigate through providers within your location at the tap of a button. You're sure that you're able to see and request every single information pertaining to you as an enrollee. Now I know you've heard the word enrollee multiple times. At this point, I'm wondering why you haven't clicked the button below or tapped on our website to find out ways you can become a healthy member of society by securing a health insurance plan from Hydra HMO. With unprecedented access to Hydra HMO support platforms, you have 24/7 access to Hydra HMO care lines. Make a phone call to 0700 494 342 466. Chat with us on HyBot on 0901 790 0000. That is 0901 790 00000. You are sure that when you're dealing with Hydra HMO, your information is secure. We've gone ahead to create a portal for managed care systems between your provider, the hospital you're visiting, or the pharmacy you're visiting, and you. Now, Hydra HMO creates that platform to ensure that your data is not leaked anywhere. You are guaranteed that upon request, you have access to your entire records. With a provider network that spans across the entire country, Hydra HMO is now closer to you. Check out our website, on social media, or the mobile app for close contacts to us. We're proposing to offer you health plans that are flexible and tailored to your needs. Securing a health plan for yourself as an individual may vary. You might be an expectant mom. That is a separate health plan. We call that HyMat. Check out our website for more. You're looking to get a more pricey health plan so you can get access to even more health benefits. We're talking High Prime. We're talking High Prime Plus. Now you're looking for a basic health plan that covers your needs and still gives you best-in-class health insurance, managed care. We're talking High Basic. Whatever your taste, we have the spice. If you're looking to improve your education on health and become an advocate for health insurance, why not subscribe to our newsletters? Go on to www.hydrahmo.com and register to receive complimentary benefits such as your key newsletter. You would only know if you're an enrollee. As a business, we know that risk management is something that you're big on. We're here to critically analyze how to give you support that is best for you. This is not a copy and paste style of relationship. Now, if you're looking to improve your members' experience with healthcare, we can create an avenue at your preferred facility and make access to healthcare for your enrollees even closer. There are certain exclusions with healthcare. Visit our website to know more. To become a properly enrolled Hydra HMO member, there are a few things that you must do. Be you a business, be you an expectant mom, as an individual or society, or you're looking to even secure health insurance for your family. How do we get you on board? It's easy. Fill in your details, submit your form, and get access to healthcare. Now that you're a Hydra HMO enrollee, you're welcome on board, and we're rooting for you to continue enjoying quality healthcare